There is now an opportunity for you as farmers and growers to change the way you care for your soil. Our products improve how crops can now be grown best, with no added chemical NPKs, reducing costs, reducing water usage, and making the soil perform better again. We are reintroducing minerals and biologics back into the soil to get the soil to perform as Mother Nature intended. Yes, that is correct. You will no longer need any added chemical NPKs with these particular farms and crops when using our 3-step protocol. Our products are more of a soil technology solution than a standalone product. We introduce vital minerals into the soil along with our in-house special bacteria to bring in a healthy nematode population, earthworms, etc. This results in aerobic and living breathing soil again. We suggest starting with 1 container load for testing. This will benefit the test crops without needing any chemical fertilizers. We are not a fertilizer, we offer a much more effective 3-step soil amendment protocol instead. You and your fellow growers and clients will see results that will be impressive over the growing season. The growers will apply our spreadable pellets in the spring for this year and later again in the fall for next year. Our soluble mineral product is added to the irrigation water during the growing season. The 3rd step of our protocol is to apply our foliar spray during the mid-growth cycle. The foliar spray is a stoma enhancer, and it helps to relieve the plant's stress during periods of high heat. The result of our 3-step process is healthier soil and healthier crops with a higher yield per hectare and more nutritional value for the cows, humans, and other animals. Our 3-step soil amendment protocol: 1. Spreadable pellets for spring and fall application. 2. Soluble minerals with bacillus for the fertigation or other irrigation systems. 3. Foliar spray for mid-growth application. These minerals are wonderful for enhancing plant growth and the crop's nutritional value, totally eliminating the need for chemical fertilizers for crop farms, orchards, vineyards, dairy farms, greenhouses, and gardens.